Hello Facebook. Hello world. Hello you. Hello. Good to see you today. Well, Thursday mornings, 10 o'clock, I like to come on here and share what's in my heart in the virtual public town square. And today, what's in my heart? What do I want to talk about? So I chose this topic of connecting to wild nature. And what does that mean, and how do we do it? And can we do it in the city? So I'm currently standing in a small city park. There's a street there, there's some houses over there, and there's this patch of grass. I mean, for me, there is some benefit in standing barefoot in the grass, right? Like, there's some grounding that happens, they call it grounding, they call it a couple of things, earthing and grounding. It's like the energetic, something goes into the earth and connects energetically, and that can be proven if anyone doubts it. I've held electric testers, and you can stand on the grass and then stand on the patio or something, and the electricity circuit changes. So there is some benefit in having contact with the earth, even if it's in a city park. And at the same time, there's something so much more available when in a more wild environment. Here in a park, we have some trees, we have some grass. It's often pretty manicured, and there's not a full ecosystem. There's not a bunch of bugs and weeds and animals and from the micro to the large. It's a very small subset of creating this kind of space for us to walk in the city, and maybe that's necessary for cities, but there's also when I'm in nature, I was in nature just yesterday or the day before, and swimming in water and the weeds and the mud and the seaweed, and just in this wildness, and I feel I feel part of nature in that environment. Here, I know there's some benefit, but I don't intrinsically feel this inherent connection to nature is me. And so, yeah, what is this for? I guess this is kind of a plug for getting out to more wild places that aren't pre-manicured by people to, be in the city park. That's also good. It's better than maybe staying all day long on your couch watching TV, playing games, Yeah. So just my little plug for rewilding in nature. So now I'm just gonna pause a little bit and see if anything else comes that wants or needs to be said or shared or by me. there is that other aspect of being in the city, and there's just, even here I can hear the sound of birds, but I also hear the sound of horns and cars driving, and the unnatural sounds of the city. There's often so much noise, construction, and yes, I can find silence, stillness, and centeredness within that. But I also find it distracts from, it contributes to my not feeling one with nature, like I would feel out in the wild, away from the city. But in either case, slowing down, settling in, earthing, bare feet on the ground, maybe closing eyes. And I become more aware, more alert, more centered, more sensitive to how I'm being impacted by all these sounds. Alright, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Till next time. Ciao.